Earlier today, I watched James Clow create a tap guide using Fusion 360, and I thought I'd try to recreate that using Onshape. So first, I'll go to my browser and log into Onshape, and then create a new document that we're going to name Tap Guide. The first thing I'm going to do is create a variable because James had a little problem resizing his. I'll make it 2 inches to start with, which is what he started with. Now we'll do sketch on the top plane, hide some of these things here, make that normal, draw a circle, and make its diameter. Variable size, move it out here, and let's make it bigger. Now we need a circle inside of that, which is going to be for our tangents. And this one I don't want to have a dimension, so we'll get rid of that. Now we need to place 10 circles inside here. I don't care what their diameter is. And get rid of that. And I want to make an array, a circular array of this. And I want it to be 10. Okay. And then let's get rid of this so that I can make them different sizes. All right, the first one. Okay. Now let's rearrange them a little bit so they aren't crashing or overlapping. Okay, there we go. Now I want to make them all tangent to this circle here. So this one tangent, and this one tangent, and this one. I haven't figured out a way to make all of these tangent at once. Don't know if that can be done. Okay. Now we want to connect their centers. and make one more line. I'll just make it over here. Now that last line right here, it's critical that we make that normal to just like that. We'll be fine. Now we want to go through and get rid of the inside of all of these. And in case this one here, I want it to be just between those two lines. Okay, let's try that again. We want all of these lines to be equal. So I'll go through and select them all. There we go, equal. Okay, and let's see what we got. The length of this one, 1496, and the space between them, 1496. So voila. And let's just neaten this up a little bit by pulling all of these diameters out. Okay. Now Claude decided that he wanted his diameter to be 1.8 inches instead of 2 inches. So I'll just go back here, change this to 1.8, and that should make everything 1.8, and we've got our same distance between everything. So that's good. Now we'll extrude it. 1 inch is what we want. Okay, that's good. And then we want to chamfer both faces. 0.02, I believe, is what he settled on. And we're done.